Hi everyone, I'm hoping that you all are doing good. So, as you remember, that lastly we have discussed about the 8th clause and we are left with only two that's related to the performance evaluation and monitoring, and the another one is improvements. So, I talked about service assurance yesterday. So, now there was one pointers which was left that was related to the information security. So, service assurance is basically that you are assuring your services that it is available whenever it is required, right? This is what we discussed. So what you are symbolizing about the information security. So information security is definitely that whatever the services you are providing, there must be the client tools as well used. So whether is it secure enough, whether the information is secure enough to support, or whether your processes are just like that. See, suppose you are using the desktop or the laptop, and it should be prohibited with the usage of USBs. For example, you are using your own personal USB, and that should be restricted in your organization because you are using it the external way, and that is not actually um, allowed. So this is the concept of information security and how secure your passwords are, how secure your information are. Clients information is there also in your portals, so how secure it is that. I mean, whenever there is a person who is going to access that tools, either a new joinee or the person who actually left, so whether the access is revoked on time or not, that will be considered as the information security. Clause number 9, that's the second last clause, is performance evaluation. So what do you actually mean by performance evaluation? Whatever the processes you're following, right? So you need to get your evaluation as well, your feedbacks as well, that yeah, whether you are using the processes in a right way or not, and what are the misses is there, if it is there, what are the misses and how you are maintaining and managing that misses. That's the non-conformance, if any, in the process, and how you're improving that. That's the continual improvement. So suppose there is the whole process is maintained as per the service management system, and you are getting the performance evaluation from your clients through these surveys that we basically call it as customer satisfaction surveys, which you must be knowing about, and some are using the different terminologies for that. Some uses OTIS also. So OTIS is nothing but on time and at customer expectations. So terminologies can differ, but definitely it's a customer survey, satisfaction survey, whether they are satisfied with your services or not, and that can be uh, yearly, twice in a year, quarterly as well. So it matters. It depends upon the contract. On the another hand side, if I'm talking about, that's all about the performance evaluation. Another one is regarding the continual improvement. So continual improvement is nothing but how you are maintaining and managing your services. You are continuously improving it, and you're saving the costs of your clients. That is what it actually means. So you just need not to worry about that, okay, these things are not there. You have to maintain it and manage it. It's not like that someone is giving you the punishment out of it. Instead, they support you, they facilitate the processes with whatever it's missed in the organization, and accordingly it works, and accordingly the processes improves. Therein the process of, if I'm talking about that, lean concepts comes in. That's nothing but that efficiency must be there, efficiency in the processes with zero or less wastage. That's the actual concept of lean. So I discussed that in very detail in my older videos. You can definitely reach out to that, and that's a very basic concept with basic examples mentioned there. So I'm hoping that you are sure about it. This is Today we are concluding the ISO series, especially 20K I'm talking about. That number of ISO's standards are there. Basically, ISO 27K is there, that's related to information security management system. ISO 9K is related to quality management system. So I'm hoping that I'll be definitely focusing on some another topic to be talked on, or else you can definitely suggest because that's definitely a learning for me also and for you also. So I'm also learning and making you learn as well. So this is my only main motive, that presenting everything in a proper layman and a very basic language. So I'm hoping that you enjoyed the whole series. You can definitely reach out to number of resources are there. You should not rely on only one resource, but you can definitely look into that. You will definitely uh, dig deep into that, and that would be fine for you. You will get the very basic understanding. Since I'm just taking care of these things, that's why I wanted to present that accordingly. So I'm hoping that you really enjoyed this series. Thank you.